My father, Robert A. Bowser, started the company in 1986. And his original inspiration was around this underserved market where these customers did not have the tools they needed to manage their day-to-day hair care regimen. I grew up in the business, working summers in our manufacturing facilities, packing and folding do-rags and wrap caps. And so he saw a unique opportunity to put me in a space where I would lead the innovation efforts for Firstline. I really was able to help the company scale and broaden our assortment of products across our Evolve, Wave Enforcer, Cameron's BFF, Sleek, and Dry Sweat brands.
We know our customers because we are our customers. We recognized early on this is very important for us as consumers, and so we know it's important for our end consumer base as well. And out of that, we've born and bred our Evolve Satin Wide Edge bonnet line, which really resonated with the consumer once it launched.
We believe in making sure representation is there and on shelf. We even have created textured identities, which we really were initially using to educate our retail partners on hair textures and how this, this particular product can enhance the regimen and the experience for this customer with this hair texture.
HEB is one of the ones that have really heard us, is that it's not a one size fit all or even most for the Black or textured hair consumer. We know from data and research, over 60% of the population have textured and curly, coily hair. So it's very important that all retailers hone in on that need and are very specific and intentional about the products that they bring to the stores.
We were included in the HEB Be the Change campaign, and that allowed for us to connect with the consumer at the shelf level. Additionally, the HEB Beauty Virtual Road Trip is another way that we get in front of beauty consultants who are recommending products to customers at the shelf. So that affects our bottom line, of course, and helps generate sales and awareness of our products.
It's been very, very natural for us to advocate in that space and to maintain our position as the expert from the beginning, just because we're putting so much love and authenticity in the process of development.
I have two daughters. One is 18, one is 8, and it's really rewarding as a mother to be in the position to teach self-love to your child from the inside out.
There's no other hair like textured hair at all in the world, and I absolutely love that about textured hair.
We're celebrating our road to 40, and so just thinking about what's to come is just, it's surreal. And I think that for legacy for me, it's bridging entrepreneurship, creativity, and endurance all together, and I feel like it means that we're building something long-lasting. I just feel really just, it's a feeling that I don't even know. It's gonna be an emotional ride, and then we're gonna be thinking about the next 40 years and what that looks like. But right now, we're just taking it all in, celebrating how how we started and how we got to this chapter, and really just focusing on the next chapter of growth.